is with people cutting me off? Why did he slam on his brakes and then do an illegal U-turn? Did not even stop. He didn't even think about stopping. That's how impatient he is. Whoa, you just barreled it for... What is wrong with people? First that van barrels through that Corvette. Well, almost hitting that Corvette. And then the Corvette just pulls out right in front of me. Like, what the heck, people? Just so much stupidity. Whoa! Oh, no, you don't. Oh, come on. Get going. Oh my gosh. No, I'm just gonna be a jack button. Pass on the merge. Holy crap, I've never honked so long in my life.